Trieste takes a step toward greener mobility with launch of new electric buses presented this morning in San Giusto.
We present to the city these new buses. These are full electric, 7 new Italian buses from Rampini, the factory that products these buses. They are small but very, very efficient. We have 3 doors, as you can see, like all the buses in Trieste. And these buses are smaller than the normal buses because they go on some streets and roads very difficult. So we have changed this with the old small buses, and we are very proud of this.
We are here because we have a new bus that are for Trieste, for urban lines. Particular case in our region because it's very difficult to use the car and the bicycle, and so the bus is the best way to move inside the city. Very important to use new buses, electric new buses, because they are perfect for the city.